Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you really are. The lion cannot protect himself from traps, and the fox cannot defend himself from wolves. One must therefore be a fox to recognize traps and a lion to frighten wolves. It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both. Make mistakes of ambition and not mistakes of sloth. Develop the strength to do bold things, not to suffer. The wise man does at once what the fool does finally. Make no small plans, for they have no power to stir the soul. Where the willingness is great, the difficulties cannot be great. The first method for estimating the intelligence of a ruler is to look at the men he has around him. There is no avoiding war. It can only be postponed to the advantage of others. Never was anything great achieved without danger. Any man who tries to be good all the time is bound to come to ruin among the great number who are not good. A sign of intelligence is an awareness of one's own ignorance. Men should be either treated generously or destroyed, because they take revenge for slight injuries. For heavy ones they cannot. Power is the pivot on which everything hinges. He who has the power is always right, the weaker is always wrong. Wisdom consists of knowing how to distinguish the nature of trouble and in choosing the lesser evil. Always assume incompetence before looking for conspiracy. He who wishes to be obeyed must know how to command. He who builds on the people builds on the mud. There is nothing more important than appearing to be religious. Men are always wicked at bottom unless they are made good by some compulsion. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.